resize it. So into step basically does that thing. Okay. Design I told you again, like if you want to, these are already there. Transitions, like there are a lot of things are there. Suppose I'll add insert icon. Suppose I'll add icon over here. This one. Anything other than that. Suppose you add this illustration or this is illustration which is added, right? This is added over here. So this illustration, suppose you want to add some other thing, like you want to use the morph. Any particular thing, whatever you want to use. You want to add effect, you can add effect. You want to write something, you can write on it. Right. So those modifications you can make over here. Okay. Suppose you want to add this sort of thing to your slide, you can add it. Checkboard. Right. So this will be like this. Like you can add animations, whatever animations you require, you can add it to your slide. You will make it like fader, those things you can do. And so that time, like if you want to increase the duration, you can increase the duration also. Suppose now, if I click on it, मैं अगर इसको run करता हूँ, then you can add the slides over. जैसे आपको जब अगर आपका ये वीडियो रहेगा, जब आप स्लाइड फुल स्क्रीन में लेंगे तो आपको वीडियो प्रेजेंट करेगा इस टाइम, राइट? Transitions, you can create a transitions in the same way you can create an animations also, as I told you. Suppose you have to create an animation for this. You can like you can bring it like this wherever you want, and you can add and you want to modify those animations. You can modify the animation also. Right? You can fill a color to the animation. And similarly, like suppose you have to bring the image forward backward, you can bring it. Like I'll just show you that thing here in the example. Bringing an image to the forward and taking it backward. I'll just show you like with the example here. In this one. Suppose this is the slide. Okay. So if you put the image in the backward, you can see the difference over there. So see here what is happening. When it is rotating, just see it is rotating in front of it, right? And when it will move back, just observe when it will move back. Okay, it will go back behind the sun, right? So that is the image. The sun has been brought to the forward. Okay, so that's why the other image it is going backward. You see, it is going backward, right? But if I will not do this, if I click on this particular image, okay, send it to the back. Again, I'll run the image for you. Okay, you'll see it for what will happen. Like when it is moving back, it will going to go back. Again, it will be there on the sun itself because the image is in the backward. This is getting a second layer on it. It's not created, so it will move on top of it, right? So basically, that is what bringing the image to forward and backward does. Like the other thing will move back, move in the text, right? So like what I'll do one thing, like let's do one thing. I have shown something as of now. I'll just keep it open for next 3 minutes. I think 3-4 minutes. So if you have some question, you can come up. If you have some ideas, you can tell about that. If you have some queries, you can ask us. Then we'll move ahead for the other things. I'm just opening it for the query. Okay. Just let's discuss for 2 minutes. Let me know whatever you can put anything in your queries on the Q&A chat window. Then we'll move forward for the other discussions. Okay. Like you can ask us if you have something in the mind, some questions you have if I've used in the past. Then we'll move it accordingly. Right. Let me go to the slide. Okay. We go to the slide. Then we'll move it accordingly. Something in the mind, something use those things in the past. Let me check if any question has come up as of now. Additional. Let me show you something. How to group images basically. Just give me a time. Just give me a time. Suppose here these are the images. Suppose what happens now if I select it, I move it, so this single image moves, right? But if you want to move all these images, these are all different images, right? So if you want to move all these images together in a particular site, then for that particular thing, we'll have to create a group for that. So in that scenario, how? Because that is called as grouping of images. So how you can group the images together, right? So in that case, what you have to do, you have to select all the images. Okay, you have to select all the images which are there on the slide. Okay, go to the picture format. Or else what you can do, you can use a shortcut for that also. There is a shortcut available for this thing. Let me close it again. Let me open it. Close it already. I think the device got stuck. Just wait for one. particular solar system. Okay, easy to open. Right. For these images, I'll have to group all these images together. Then simply click here, go to the format picture. So simply what you can directly click Control G. Now what has happened? See, this has become a single image. It will be moving as a single image together, right? Because like if you have multiple images added, if you move the screen, then it becomes difficult to realign. And once the alignment is done, so what you can do, you can group it so that all the things will be clocked and it will be intact in their position. It will be easy for you to move the images, multiple images in a particular slide. So Control G basically groups the images. Okay. Suppose you have to add ruler to your slides, you can add it. You can add it over here. Right click and go to the ruler, and you can remove the ruler also. So that thing is possible in a slide itself. Like we do it in the PowerPoint, we do it in the Word, and ruler can also be added to the PowerPoint also. One more thing, we'll slide simply. So what? So suppose when you have to record a slide simply. So what you can do, we can go to the record option. So there are multiple options are there. You can put the camera on and you can along with the slide you can present your session using this camera option. If you want to start record your presentation from the very beginning, you can speak. Right? You can see, right? You can see whatever you'll be speaking, those things will be added over here. Right? You can record it. On the top you can find it. So this is the recording screen. If you so what do you mean? So here show your background, then you can show your background also. Whatever need, but you know, then add your quick lesson, you can add it over there. You can add, suppose you want presenting some laser export, you want the export भी remove it, just remove it. आपका एक मार्क आ रहा है, right? तो आप उसको ये कर सकते हो. हमारा रिहर्स स्लाइड करके ऑप्शन के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? पावर पॉइंट में स्लाइड शो में जाना पड़ता है. ये एक AI एनेबल फीचर है. ठीक है, यहाँ से आप रिहर्स द स्लाइड ऑप्शन को क्लिक करेंगे. ये तो ये आपको अलाउ यू टू स्पीक. तो व्हेन यू स्पीक जस्ट वेट, इट ये आपका पूरा जो भी वॉइसेस रहता है सब कुछ डिटेक्ट करता है. थोड़ा टाइम ले रहा है, ये थोड़ा हेवी स्लाइड है. और किसका start here. When the company open, when the next advancement happened to the company, all those things you can see over here. Right? Who is the team? Who is handling the which particular division of the organization? What is the entire portfolio of services? Web designing, all those things. What are social media? So let me stop it, right? But now let me escape out of it. So अब मैंने जैसे escape किया, अभी आप लोगों को दिखेगा this is what. ये मैंने 49 seconds का मेरा presentation था. उसमें मैंने कितना स्लाइड रिहर्स किया? 5 स्लाइड रिहर्स किया. मेरा वर्ड का पेस कितना था? मेरा वर्ड का पेस 135 वर्ड्स पर मिनट था. मेरा पिच कैसा था? मोनोटोनस था या कैसा था? लो पिच वेरिएशन विल मेक योर ऑडियंस लूज इंटरेस्ट. ट्राई इंक्रीजिंग टोन फॉर योर की पॉइंट. सो ये आपको सजेशन दे रहा है कि आपको क्या पिच कैसे रखना है. आपको रिपीटेटिव वर्ड्स क्या यूज हो रहा था वहां पे? रिपीटेटिव वर्ड्स क्या यूज हो रहा था आपको दिखने को मिलेगा. क्या रिपीटेटिव वर्ड में यूज किया वहां पे, राइट? वो सब चीज आपको दिख जाता है वहां पे. ठीक है, ये आपका ओरिजिनलिटी